Hey guys, this is Chris Nutt, one of the school counselors here at Lakeview. Today I wanted to quickly show you how to report bullying incidents at Lakeview using Sprigeo. Sprigeo is a web-based application that we use at Lakeview to make it easy to report bullying behavior. Let me give you a quick how-to. Let's start from the Lakeview website, right here. Once here, click on About Our School, go down to Counseling, and click on Sprigeo, which is right here. This will take you to the Sprigeo website. In order to submit a report, click on Send a Report, which is found right here. This goes straight to the reporting page. Once here, go through the questions and complete each of them with as much accurate information as possible. The more information we get, the better we can investigate and deal with each bullying incident. Start here with state. Obviously click Missouri. School or site name. If you start to type in Lakeview, it will automatically take you to Lakeview Middle School in Kansas City. From here you go to where did the incident occur. Just find something as specific as you can as to where the incident happened. You can even go to the bottom and click Other. If you click Other, it then gives you an option to explain more. When you go to when did it happen, it always selects today's date. If it's another date, then just click the blank and you can go to whatever date you need to. So if it happened a couple weeks ago, you can go down and click that, and then it'll ask you for time. These are in 30-minute increments. Just make sure that you're picking something around the time that it happened. It doesn't have to be specific in that situation. They ask how many times the situation has happened. So click that. Answer that as accurately as you can. Have you reported this to an adult? Make sure you click yes or no. If you click yes, it'll give the option to name who you told. If you click no, it just leaves it as no. And then we get into who was the bully, who was harassing or intimidating or causing harm. Make sure when you fill this out that you put the first and last name. And if you know the grade, add that as well. So if they're 7th or 8th grade, make sure you put that on there. If you only know a first name, that's fine. Just put the first name and the grade, and that will help us out when we investigate. Next is who was the person being harmed, bullied, harassed, or intimidated. Same thing as this blank. Make sure you're putting as much information as you can. So first and last name and grade if you know it. If you only know first name, that's fine. Just to give us something so that we have information so we can investigate. And then describe what happened. So in this situation, describe as much as you can what happened in the situation. So we have that information and we know whether or not it was a bullying incident, we know whether or not who we need to talk to, give us the people that were involved in this blank as well so we can address those situations with as much information as you can. And then when you get to who are you, it gives you a blank to put student, which I'm addressing you guys specifically, but teachers can go on here, staff members, parents can also fill this stuff out. Put student down there, and then what is your name? It says optional. This is very important. Please make sure you put your full name here. We have a number of situations reported every year that require more information than was given in the bully report. Without that information, we sometimes cannot appropriately deal with the bully situations, which leads to students not being held accountable as they should be based on the report. So make sure you put your name here. It also has a blank here as well that if you would like somebody to contact you, you can put an email address, you can put a phone number there if you're interested in being contacted after the report's handled. And then at the bottom, you're just clicking I am not a robot, clicking the CAPTCHA there, and then click Submit. Once you hit Submit, this goes directly to 5 people in the building. It goes to both counselors and all 3 administrators. We start investigating as soon as we can address the reports. We care deeply about you guys and making Lakeview a safe and comfortable place. So in order to help you, we need students to report bullying behavior when they see it so adults can help and support you. Guys, thank you for this. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you fill out reports moving forward in the future and helps you do it appropriately so we can support you guys with each report we get. Thank you. We appreciate you guys.